One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. So, always think positive and be positive. With that note, let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Hobby Concepts. And this is Raj. Today, let's make the steamed spinach vada or the No Fry Kheerai Vadai. This is very easy and a quick to make recipe, which makes a perfect tea time snack, or it can even be a great side dish for many rice varieties like lemon rice, coconut rice or sambar rice, etc., to name few. It's delicious and very healthy. In southern part of India, spinach is called as Kheerai and Vadai means vada. So the name Kheerai Vadai means spinach vada or Spinat-Snacks. Kheerai Vadai is usually deep fried, but today we will use oil only for greasing the plate and for tempering, as we are making a steamed spinach vada. Let's divide the making procedure into 3 parts. First, let's wash the spinach. Fill a bowl with water and swish the leaves around and then soak it in the water for 5 to 10 minutes so that all the impurities gets settled at the bottom. While it is soaked, let's wash the coriander leaves and chop it. Now lift the spinach leaves from the water and place it in a colander and repeat the process of washing it once again or until the spinach is clean. Next is to cut the spinach. Now in a bowl, add the chopped spinach, the chopped coriander leaves, and start adding besan or gram flour to it, little at a time. Keep mixing it till you are able to bind it. No need to add water. Now add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice not only enhances the taste, but it also doubles the benefit. Lemon has vitamin C, which increases the absorption of iron when mixed with green leafy vegetables. Now add salt as per your taste and turmeric powder and mix it. It needs to be like a soft dough. Give it a cylindrical shape and keep it aside. The next part is to steam the dough. Let's grease the plate and place the spinach mixture on the plate. You can see the water in the steamer is already boiling. Now steam the vada for about 15 to 18 minutes on high flame. You can also steam it in the pressure cooker. If you would like to know the process of steaming it in the pressure cooker, please see the link of my common dokla recipe in the description box, where I've shown the steaming process in a pressure cooker as well. Now, after 18 minutes, switch off the flame and leave it for 5 minutes in the steamer. Let it cool a bit. Remove the lid of the steamer and with a knife, cut it into circles as shown. Now, the final part, tempering. In a pan, add little oil. To it, add mustard seeds. Once it splatters, add chopped green chillies and chopped curry leaves. Reduce the flame to the lowest possible and then add asafoetida. To it, add the steamed spinach vada and saute it for a minute. The spinach vada is ready to be served. Enjoy it with a hot cup of masala chai or masala tea. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. Hope you all liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do give it a try and comment on how it was. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, live, love, relax and enjoy your life. Take care.